Nothing is free. If success came without effort, would anyone still struggle? Quick, picture your biggest dream. Now imagine getting it with no work. Feels strange, right? That's the problem most people never face. Today, I will tell you a long, simple story, an easy story for English learners. It is about a truth you can use. Nothing is free. You will listen, practice English, and feel a push to stop waiting and start acting. Why care? Because your future depends on what you do next. Keep listening. This is for you. There was a young man. He lived in a small town and had a very small room. He had a very big dream. He wanted a better job. He wanted to travel. He wanted his family to be proud. He wanted respect. He had many wishes, many plans, many reasons, but also a quiet voice inside him that said, maybe later, maybe tomorrow. That voice is comfortable. It sounds safe. It is quiet, but it is dangerous. He watched others work. He watched friends go far. He watched the world move. He told himself he would start next week. Next month became next year. Imagine what you could do if you stopped saying later right now. Pause. Think. What is one small action you can take today toward your dream? One morning, he walked to the market and met an old teacher at a tea stall. The teacher had white hair and sharp eyes. He asked, "Why do you look so worried?" The young man shared his dream and his fear. The teacher listened. He smiled kindly and wrote 3 words on a piece of paper: time, effort, sacrifice. Those are the prices, the teacher said. Time, effort, sacrifice. Not a magic spell, not a trick, a simple exchange. If you want strength, you must face difficulty. If you want knowledge, you must spend time. If you want success, you must work. This sounded hard, but it was honest. Which of these, time, effort, or sacrifice, are you avoiding right now? Be honest. You cannot skip one and expect the rest to cover it. He began with one small change. 30 minutes earlier each morning, he read 1 page in English. He practiced 1 short sentence aloud. He spoke 1 sentence to a neighbor. Every day, he did something small. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Slow growth, quiet wins. He applied for a job that felt too big. He failed the first interview. He learned. He practiced. He improved. He failed again. He learned again. The second interview was better. The third, stronger. He did not get everything instantly, but every attempt increased his value. Here is a bold claim. The only shortcut to mastery is steady work. No magic, no cheat, just practice. Practice is the currency of progress. Repeat that. What small action will you repeat tomorrow? Comfort is warm. Comfort is easy, but comfort steals progress. It trades time for excuses, and then you wonder where your dream went. He loved comfort, sleep, TV, easy food. He chose to delay small comforts. He gave 1 extra hour to learning. He skipped a weekend party to study English. It hurt at first. Pain became habit. Habit became identity. This is a hard truth. Comfort will make you average. If you want extraordinary, you must pay differently. Invest time when others relax. Give effort when others stop. Make small sacrifices when others choose ease. This is not cruel, it's freeing. If you pay patience in action now, you buy freedom later. Imagine the future you who worked while others waited. How would that feel? Months passed. A year moved by. His English improved. Confidence grew. He earned a better job. Doors opened because he had value. People pay for value. Employers hire those who solve problems. Clients buy help from those who create results. Nothing is free, but nothing is random. You can control your return. You control what you create. If you invest attention, you receive attention. If you invest skill, you receive opportunity. This is not a promise of instant riches. It is a promise of fairness. Keep watching to find out the real test. Ask yourself now, what tiny habit can you start tonight? Write it down. Say it out loud. Tell someone. The strongest actions start as small whispers. Are you ready to whisper into action? Expect obstacles, expect doubt, expect setbacks. He faced rejections. He felt alone. He fought doubt with small reminders, short goals, and tiny rewards. He listed wins every week. He read stories of others. He asked for help. Support matters. Find a teacher, a friend, a group. But help is not a free ticket. Help guides. Help points the way. You still pay the price. A mentor shortens the path, but does not erase it. What obstacle scares you most? Name it now. Then name one small step to fight it. Nothing is free. Everything is an exchange. Pay the price of action and you will own your life. Say it loud. Let it become your chant. You are not owed success. You are offered the chance to earn it. If you want to start today, follow this plan. Wake 30 minutes earlier. Practice English for 20 minutes daily. Listen, repeat, speak. Read one short paragraph and summarize it aloud. Do one task that scares you each week. Record progress. Celebrate small wins. Repeat this plan for 90 days. 90 days of steady action produces a new you. Do one task right after this video. Speak one English sentence. Send it to a friend. Record it. Share it. Small acts repeated make the difference. If this story moved you, tell someone. Help them start paying the price too. Remember, nothing is free. Everything costs time, effort, and small sacrifices. Now, take one small step. Do something today. Subscribe for more English stories and motivation. Share this video with someone who needs the push. Your life will not be given. It will be earned. Start paying the price now. Create your future. Start today. Pay the small price. Own your life.